Good girl. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splish splash. Good girl. Good girl. Do some more. Good girl. Good girl. Splish splash. Splish splash. Oh boy. Do some more. Do some more. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're so clean. Look at you. You're so clean. You're going to make Petey jealous. Yep. Good girl. Do some more. You can do some more. Good girl. You guys must have to mop a lot.
Yeah, I keep her towel down there hanging down there. Every day.
Oh boy. You going to do some more? My, you make a mess. I think this house belongs to you, and you got humans who take care of you.
That's exactly right. Whoa, she's going good today.
I could talk her back in like about 5 times sometimes.
Oh, really?
Good girl. Good girl. Splish splash. Splish splash. Splish splash. You can go one more time? One more time. Good girl. Good girl. Oh boy. Nope. Oh, you're all done. All done. Oh, you're going to do one more time, aren't you? It's like you get her all excited. They got to go again.
Really
Her biggest habit, she'd take a bath, and then she'd fly over and land on Daniel's shoulder to shake off.
the shaking.
Yeah, good girl. You gonna do some more? Do some more. Good girl. Good girl. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, you can do some more.
She is going to town today.
Good girl. Good girl. You're wet. You're wet. Yes, you are. Good girl. You're all clean and you soaked to the bone.
I swear it's like she's showing off way a little bit, I think. What can I do?
It's very social.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's a very social thing with the birds. They'll all take their big old splash baths together in the wild.
That must be explaining why she's so into
Look at the mess you're making. You're making a mess.